Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome to the Mom's Little World. Today I'm going to share some fun activity, brain teaser kind of activity which I have planned for my daughter. She is 6 years old and she loves to do math. So I have prepared some math activity to make it as a fun kind of thing with a brain teaser one. Say for example, she has to use this time machine and she has to complete the problem. She has to turn it over and she has to complete the problem before it ends. There is no hard rule that she has to complete it before it, but it's like to make the learning as a fun. So that's what I planned. So she has to turn it on and she has to find. The first one is before, after, and between numbers. She has to solve the problem before it ends. And even if she doesn't do, that's perfectly fine. The second one is second activity is skip counting by 2. In this I gave some few problems. I don't want to give her too many that she may lost her interest. So I gave her 5 problems and she has to complete it, like skip counting by 2. And the third one is match me. Like 1 to 10 I have mentioned all the spellings and she has to connect it, whatever is the correct one. And the next one is right or wrong. We can give addition, subtraction or anything else, but she loves to solve such kind of problem. Like I will give the answer to her. I'll give both right and wrong answer. Whatever is right she has to find and put the tick mark. Whatever is wrong she has to find and mention the cross mark. So here I gave few problems to her. And the next one is subtraction. In the same way I gave answers to few problems and she has to find which is correct, which is wrong. Next one is make 10. In the addition way she has to find what will come here which will make 10. So here 8 plus what will come to make it as a 10. So she has to find it is 2 and find the correct answer for everything. Find the answer for everything. Correct or wrong or right, that is completely depend on the child and that is perfectly fine, even if they mention any wrong answers. The last one is roll the dice and find the number. I have a dice here and she has to roll it and she has to find it is a 4 and they have to mark it. Cross all the 4. Before the time ends. That is what the brain test is all about. She has to turn it like this, roll the dice and find the number and cross it over. This is one of the best visual development activity as well. And yeah, this is what I have planned for her to do today, and I will come up with other brain test activity for language and even some more math problem as well, along with some visual discrimination brain test activity. And thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, please share it with your friends. Please subscribe and don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section. Thank you so much.